In this lesson, we are going to calculate total cost, average total cost, marginal cost, average fixed cost, and average variable cost. The table shows quantity, total fixed cost, and total variable cost. Total fixed cost is the same, no matter the level of output. Total variable cost increases as output increases. Calculating total cost. Total cost is the sum of total fixed cost and total variable cost. For output 0, total cost is 200 plus 0, 200. At 2, total cost is 200 plus 190, which is 390. At 4, total cost is 415, the sum of 200 and 215. At output 5, total cost is 200 plus 325, which is 525. Calculating average total cost or average cost. Average total cost is total cost divided by quantity. At output 1, average total cost is 370 divided by 1, 370. At 3, 400 divided by 3, which is 133.3. At 5, average total cost is 525 divided by 5, it is 105. Calculating marginal cost. Marginal cost is change in total cost divided by change in quantity. Change in total cost is the current total cost minus the previous total cost. Change in quantity is the current quantity minus the previous quantity. For output 2, it is 390 minus 370, divided by 2 minus 1. The answer is 20. For output 4, marginal cost is 415 minus 400, divided by 4 minus 3. Another method of calculating marginal cost is to use total variable cost instead of total cost, since both of them have the same shape. The formula for marginal cost is now change in total variable cost divided by change in quantity. For output 1, marginal cost is 170 minus 0 divided by 1 minus 0. The answer is 170. Calculating average fixed cost. Average fixed cost is total fixed cost divided by quantity. For output 4, average fixed cost is 200 divided by 4, which is 50. Average fixed cost for 5 units is 40, that is 200 divided by 5. Calculating average variable cost. It is obtained by dividing total variable cost by quantity. For output 1, it is 170 divided by 1, which is 170. For output 3, 200 divided by 3, which equals 66.7. The average total cost can also be obtained by adding average fixed cost and average variable cost.